Hello, fashion entrepreneurs and style enthusiasts. Welcome to the brand new chapter in your journey to success. I'm Sanjay Gupta, the co founder of Hyman Digital, and today we are diving into the world of limitless possibilities. In today's digital age, starting an online fashion store isn't just a dream, it's a dynamic opportunity. With the right strategies and a dash of creativity, you can turn your fashion passion into thriving online business. Whether you are a budding fashionista or a seasoned entrepreneur looking to expand your horizon, this video is a roadmap to success. We'll explore how to start an online fashion store that not only capture hearts but also turn heads into a fashion world. We'll cover everything from choosing your niche, building a stunning website, and sourcing or creating a fashion piece to the secret of effective marketing that will make your brand irresistible. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to take that first step or enhance your existing fashion venture. So whether you are a trendsetter, a dreamer, or simply passionate about fashion, join us on this exciting journey. Your online fashion store is just a few clicks away. Are you ready? Let's go on this exciting slide together. The first step you need to start with is doing research. Question might arise in mind why it is important. Research is the bedrock upon which your entire fashion venture is built. Here's why research is important. The fashion industry is a fast-paced environment where trends shift at lightning speed. Research gives you the access to the most recent trends, fashion, and customer preferences. You can be sure that your product offers are in the line with what is currently in demand by having your fingers on the fashion pulse. Research helps you in identifying and understanding your target market. It is not enough to say, I want to sell to fashion enthusiasts. You must go deeply, collect data, and construct rich customer personas. Who are they? What are their preferences? Where do they shop? You are essentially flying blind without this knowledge. Competition is intense in fashion industry. New brands appear every day, each competing for the slice of the fashion pie. It is not about copying your competition. It is about discovering your unique selling proposition, what you can offer that others can't. You can figure out your niche by analyzing your competitors' strengths and weaknesses. But again, a question comes, how do you do it? We can break it down into 3 simple steps. Begin with reading fashion magazines, blogs, and social media platforms. Subscribe to newsletters, follow fashion influencers, and join fashion communities. This will keep you up to date to the most recent trends, trendy things, and new styles. Conducting surveys or interviews is an excellent way to gain direct insight from your potential customer. Use online survey tools or social media to reach out to your target audience. Ask questions about their fashion preferences, pain points, and shopping habits. This information is pure gold for customizing your product offerings and marketing strategies. Study your competitor website, social media presence, and customer reviews. Look at their product range, pricing strategies, and the overall customer experience they provide. Identify what works well for them and where they may be lacking. This research will help you to understand the competitive landscape and identify chances for differentiated brand positioning. Remember, it's not a one-time task, but an ongoing process. It lays the groundwork for informed decision, strategic planning, and ultimately the success for your online fashion store. Our next step is pivotal one. Choose a niche. Some might wonder, why is choosing a niche so important? Well, my fellow fashionpreneur, allow me to break it down. Choosing a niche provides focus. It narrows your attention, allowing you to specialize in a specific area of the fashion world. Because of this focus, you may offer products that are extremely relevant to your target demographics. Consider it having a unique storefront in a busy fashion marketplace. Customer looking for that style will be drawn to your store if your niche becomes unique in design. When you have a well-defined niche, your marketing efforts becomes more targeted and efficient. You can customize your messaging, visuals, and promotion to resonate specifically with your niche audience. Let's say your niche is sustainable fashion for urban millennials. Your marketing can highlight eco-friendly material and urban-inspired design, attracting an audience that resonates with these values. In a vast fashion landscape, niche often have less competition compared to general fashion markets. This means you have a better chance to stand out and become a go-to destination for your niche. Now let's discuss how to choose the perfect niche for your online fashion store. Start with something you enjoy and passionate about. Your passion will keep pushing you forward. If you are interested in sustainable fashion, for example, that could be a great niche for you. Dive into market research, study trends, analyze consumer behavior, and identify gaps in the market. This data will help you to pinpoint a niche with demand. Find a unique angle or perspective within your chosen niche. Maybe it's focusing on handmade craftsmanship with a sustainable fashion. This unique angle sets you apart. Remember, choosing a niche isn't just about narrowing your focus. It's about expanding your potential. It's the first step in creating a fashion brand that truly resonates with your audience. Some might wonder why it is crucial to find the right supplier. Well, my fashionpreneurs, let's unravel the importance of this step. The quality of your product determines the reputation of your fashion store. Finding a reliable supplier ensures that you can regularly provide a high-quality product to your clients. Quality products result in satisfied customer, and satisfied customer becomes a loyal customer. Imagine receiving a fabulous dress from an online store. It fits perfectly and the fabric feels luxurious. You are thrilled with the purchase. This positive experience builds trust in the brand, and you are likely to return for more. Cost effectiveness matters in the competitive fashion market. A reliable supplier can provide you the product at a reasonable price. This allows you to set competitive prices for your customers while maintaining healthy profit margins. Suppose you source your product wisely, securing excellent deals from your suppliers. In that case, you can pass those savings on to your customers or invest in other areas of your fashion store's growth. Now let's explore how you can go about finding a supplier you can trust. Begin the search with thoroughly evaluating possible vendors. Look for suppliers who have a track record of supplying high-quality fashion items. Examine online evaluations, get recommendations from co-workers in the business, and attend trade shows and expos where you can meet suppliers in person. Communication is the key to successful supplier relationship. Clearly convey your expectation and quality standards. Discuss pricing, lead time, and minimum order quantities. Establish an open line of communication to address any issues promptly. Consider buying a sample of a supplier's item before making a commitment. This enables you to evaluate product quality firsthand. Conduct extensive testing, examine for durability, and evaluate overall quality. Proceed with a provider only if their items satisfy your requirements. You might be wondering, why is setting up my online store is so crucial? Well, let's unreveal the importance of this step. Your online store is your digital storefront, a place where your fashion dream comes to life. In today's digital age, an online presence is a must. Imagine your online store as a fashion boutique in the heart of a bustling city. It's accessible to potential customers 24/7, allowing you to reach a global audience. The e-commerce platform that you choose has a significant impact on your customer experience. A feature-rich, user-friendly platform improves the shopping experience, making it more smooth and interesting. Customers like an easy-to-navigate website with secure payment method and responsive design. These factors build trust and encourage repeat business. Now let's go through how to properly set up your online fashion business. Begin by selecting an e-commerce platform that aligns with your need. Look for platforms that are user-friendly, offer scalability, and provide essential features like inventory management and payment processing. Personalize your online store to reflect your brand's unique identity. Customize the design, color scheme, and layout to create a cohesive and visual appealing storefront. Put your online store's security as a priority. Make sure it has SSL certificate for data encryption and a strong safety precaution to secure customer data. You have set up your online fashion store, and now it's time to let the world know about your existence. But why this step is so vital? The fashion industry is a galaxy of countless stars. To shine, you must be seen. Marketing is your telescope, allowing you to showcase your unique fashion constellation to the world. Consider your online business to be a hidden gem in the middle of a crowded city. It's like having a treasure trove that no one knows about if you are failed to promote it. Your potential clients are out there, but they need a map to locate you, a marketing plan. Marketing is your megaphone to reach fashion enthusiasts. It's how you communicate your brand story, values, and unique offerings. Effective marketing builds a loyal following of customers who resonate with your style. Ultimately, marketing drives sales. It's the engine that propels your fashion business forward. Whether it's through your website, social media, or advertising campaigns, marketing fuels your growth. Now that we understand why marketing is so crucial, let's explore how to go about it. Your online store's website is your digital flagship. Ensure it's not just functional but also visual appealing. User-friendly navigation, compelling product description, and a seamless shopping experience are key. Leverage the power of social media to connect with your audience. Choose platforms that aligns with your target demographic and create engaging content that resonates with the fashion enthusiasts. Invest in strategic advertising campaigns, whether it's through pay-per-click advertisement, influencer collaboration, or sponsored posts. Targeted advertising can give impressive results. Your fashion store deserves a spotlight. Marketing is your ticket to center stage in the fashion arena. Let us begin with a thorough examination of why this aspect is so significant. Customer service is the North Star of your fashion business. It not only guides you, but also shapes your brand's reputation. Trust and loyalty are built through exceptional service. Imagine your online fashion store as a grand boutique. Exceptional customer service, like having knowledgeable, friendly, and attentive staff, it elevates the shopping experience, making customers feel valued and cherished. Happy customers return, and they often bring friends. These repeat customers becomes your brand advocates, spreading the word about your fashion store far and wide. In the digital age, word of mouth has transformed into online reviews. Providing exceptional customer service helps you to maintain an excellent online reputation, which may act as a powerful magnet for your new customers. Now that we have established why it's critical, let's look at how you can make it happen. Put your customer at the heart of your fashion venture. Understand their needs, preferences, and pain points. Customize your product to cater to their desires. Communication is key. Be responsive to inquiries, whether they come via email, social media, or your website. Responses that are clear, kind, and quick go a long way towards making your customer feel appreciated. Be prepared to tackle challenges head-on. Address issues promptly and efficiently. A swift and satisfactory resolution can turn a frustrated customer into a loyal one. Remember, your online store is not just about product. It is also about the people who wear them. Excellent customer service is the secret ingredient to building a business that will last. As we conclude our journey on launching your online fashion store, let's recap the essentials. We have explored niche research, sourcing reliable suppliers, and setting up your online store. Remember, success in online fashion takes time. It is the path filled with creativity and commitment. If you have questions or need guidance, our team is here for you. Share your thoughts in the comment box. If you found value today, please support us with a like and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for our next video on marketing your online fashion store. Bye for now and take care.